The tahiyatul masjid is the greeting of the masjid, and it's enjoined on a person when they when they enter the masjid to greet the masjid, just like when a person they meet somebody, what they do is they greet them. So they do the tahiyatul masjid, and the tahiyatul masjid, what a person they have to do is pray 2 rakats of salat. They have to pray 2 rakats of salat. Now the question comes up: if the adhan is being called, should a person pray the tahiyatul masjid? And what a person should do in this particular case, this is what the ulama they say, is wait until the adhan is done and say the dua, say the supplication for the adhan, and then if there's time before the iqamah comes, then you pray the tahiyatul masjid. Otherwise, you just join the congregational salat, and that will be considered to be the tahiyatul masjid in that particular case. So that's the ruling for it, and the exception is in the Jummah, the Friday prayer, because what happens is after the adhan is called, then they immediately start the khutbah, they start the sermon. So what happens is when you have the Jummah, then it's enjoined for a person to pray the tahiyatul masjid while the adhan is being called, so that they don't miss the sermon, they don't miss the congregation of the Jummah. So that's a different case. If the adhan is being called in the Jummah, then a person they pray the tahiyatul masjid while the adhan is being called, and then they listen to the khutbah, the Jummah khutbah. In the other occasions, then a person, what they do is they wait till the adhan is done and then say the dua for the adhan, and then if the salat doesn't start right away, then they pray the tahiyatul masjid. And the tahiyatul masjid could be considered for any salat. It doesn't have to be separate from the main congregation. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his family and companions. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.